Halo Sobat 100, still with me Siti Akhiria in Institute program. This time we are going to talk about numbers to 100,000. Okay, for this chapter there are 4 sections that I will explain it to you. Okay, the first one is numbers to 100,000. The second is comparing and ordering numbers. And the third is number patterns. And the last one is rounding and estimation. Okay, Sobat 100, if you want to know more videos about this chapter or for these 4 sections, you can click the next video. See you! Halo Sobat 100, still with me Siti Akhiria in Institute program. This time we are going to talk about numbers to 100,000. Now, in my previous video, I have informed you that this chapter there are 4 sections that I will discuss with you. Now, for this video, we will discuss about the first sections, that is numbers to 100,000. In these sections, there are 3 main points that we will discuss about. Okay, the first one is count in thousands. Okay, for your information, 10,000 is equal with 1/10,000. Okay, how do we count it? You can repeat after me ya, Sobat 100. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, and 10,000. Okay, the second point is count in 10,000. Okay, for your information, that 10,000s is equal with 100,000. How do we count it? You can repeat after me. Okay, Sobat 100? 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, 80,000, 90,000, 100,000. Okay, good job Sobat 100. We're done. Okay, we go to the next point. There is place value and value. Now, before we go to the example of place value and value, I want to define the place value and value for you. Now, place value describes the position or the place of the digit in a certain number. And value describes the value of the digit itself. Okay, understand ya, Sobat 100? Okay, now we go straight to the example. Now, this is the numbers 3, 1, 2, 9, 8. Okay, so what is the place value of this number? The first one is 8. Now, what is the place value of 8? It is ones, and the value is 8. The second number is 9. What is the place value? Yeah, okay, tens, and the value is 90. The third is 2. The place value is hundreds, and the value is 200. The fourth number is 1. The place value of 1 is thousands, and the value is 1,000. The last number is 3. The place value of 3 is 10,000, and the value is 30,000. Okay, Sobat 100, we use place value and value to make the numeral number into the words. So, 31,298 in words is 31,298. Okay, Sobat 100, we have already talked about numbers to 100,000. It's done. If you want to know more videos about the next section, you can click the next video. See you! Halo Sobat 100, still with me Siti Akhiria in Institute program. This time we are going to talk about numbers to 100,000. This video we will discuss about the second section in this chapter, that is comparing and ordering numbers. Okay. For the first point, there is comparing 5-digit numbers. Okay, to compare the 5-digit number, I will give you straight the example here. Okay, the example is, which is greater 93,085 or 76,104? To answer this question, we can use the table to separate the place value of each number from 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, and then the last one is ones. Okay, separate number based on the place value. The first number is 93,085. So the 10,000 is 9, the 1,000 is 3, the hundreds is 0, the tens is 8, and the 1 is 5. That's for the first number. For the second number, there is 7 in 10,000s, 6 in thousands, 1 in hundreds, 0 in tens, and 4 in ones. Okay, this is the table to compare the numbers, Sobat 100. Okay, the first thing that we have to do is compare the numbers that are in 10,000s, that is 9 and 7. Compare the 10,000s. 9 10,000s is greater than 7 10,000s. So 93,085 is greater than 76,104. Okay, that's for the first point. Now we go to the next point, ordering 5-digit numbers. Okay, the example is arrange 62,357, 29,638, and 28,986 from the greatest to the smallest. Okay, to arrange these numbers, we can use the comparison like before. Yeah, we separate the 10,000s, the thousands, the hundreds, the tens, and the ones of each number. Okay, for the first number in 10,000s, there is 6, there is 2 in thousands, 3 in hundreds, 5 in tens, and 7 in ones. For the second numbers, there is 2 in 10,000s, 9 in thousands, 6 in hundreds, 3 in tens, and 8 in ones. For the third number, there is 2 in 10,000s, there is 8 in thousands, 9 in hundreds, 8 in tens, and 6 in ones. Okay, the first thing that we have to do is compare the 10,000s number. Now, so there is 6 10,000s and 2 in 10,000s. So we compare 6,000s and 2. So we got 6 10,000s is greater than 2 10,000s. So 62,357 is the greatest. So how about these two numbers? Okay, if there are the same number in 10,000s, we go straight to the next digit number, that is thousands. Okay, now, and then we go straight compare the thousands numbers. So there are 8 thousands and 9 thousands, which means 8 thousands is smaller than 9 thousands. So 28,986 is smallest. Now, so the answer is, so the order from the greatest number to the smallest number is 62,357, 29,638, and the last one is 28,986. Okay, Sobat 100, we have already talked about this section. It's all done. If you want to know more videos about the next section, you can click the next video. See you! Halo Sobat 100, still with me Siti Akhiria in Sinatif Institute program. This time we are going to talk about numbers to 100,000. Now for this video, we will discuss about the third sections in this chapter, that is number patterns. Okay, for these sections, we will go straight to the example ya Sobat 100. Okay, example is, what is 10 more than 21,121? Okay, to know what is the result, we can make the table like before. We separate each of the digit in the numbers according to its value ya. Okay, so this is the answer. This is the table. Okay, so there are two 10,000 and then 1,000, 100, two tens, and then one ones. Okay, because the question is about what is 10 more. More here means add, so you have to add the tens into the tens. Okay, so 2 tens plus 1 10 equals 3 tens. So the answer is 10 more than 21,121 is 21,131. Okay, Sobat 100, all done. So we have already talked about number patterns. If you want to know more videos about the next sections, you can click the next video. See you! Halo Sobat 100, still with me Siti Akhiria in Sinatif Institute program. This time we are going to talk about numbers to 100,000. Now this sections is the last sections from this chapter. The sections is rounding and estimation. In these sections there are 5 main points that we will discuss about. The first point is round to the nearest 10. Now we go straight to the example ya Sobat 100. Round 42 to the nearest 10. Now we can draw the number line ya Sobat 100. This is 40, 45, 50, and 42 in here. So because this is 40, this is 41, so 42 in here. Okay? Okay. Now 42 is between 40 and 50. It is nearer to 40 than to 50. So we can conclude that 42 is 40 when rounded to the nearest 10. Now 42 is approximately equal to 40. So 42 becomes 40 when we round it to the nearest 10. Okay, that's for the main point number 1 ya Sobat 100. Now we go to the second main point, round to the nearest 100. Now round 223 to the nearest 100. Okay, this is the number line 223 between 200, 250, and 300. Now 223 is here ya. Okay, so we can answer 223 is between 200 and 300. It is nearer to 200 than to 300. Now from this we can conclude that 223 is 200 when rounded to the nearest 100. Yeah, so 223 approximately equal to 200. Okay, all done yeah. Sobat 100 for the two main point. Now we go to the next main point. Yeah, round to the nearest thousands. Same like before, we go straight to the example. Now, round 7,300 to the nearest thousands. This is the number line. Now, 7,000, 7,500, 8,000. 7,300 in here, yeah. Now, 7,300 is between 7,000 and 8,000. It is nearer to 7,000 than to 8,000. We can conclude that 7,300 is 7,000 when rounded to the nearest thousands. Okay, so 7,300 becomes 7,000. Okay ya, Sobat 100. All done. Nah, for the third main point. Now we go to the next main point. That's about estimate sums. Okay, here is the example for you. Estimate the value of 84 plus 47, then add. Okay, for estimations, we have to round each number into tens at first. Yeah, Sobat 100. Okay, so this is the answer. Now, 84 becomes 80, 47 becomes 50, so 80 plus 50 becomes 130. Means 84 plus 47 equals 130. Okay, if you want to check your answer, is it correct or not, we can check it manually ya, Sobat 100. Nah, so 84 plus 47 equals 131. The answer 131 is close to 130, therefore it is reasonable. Okay, all done for the fourth main point ya, Sobat 100. Now we go to the next main point. This is the last. Now, estimate differences. Okay, this is the example. Subtract 537 from 945. Estimate to check if your answer is reasonable. Okay, same like before, estimate sums. So here is the answer ya, Sobat 100. Now we have to round off the number to the nearest tens at first. Okay, so 945 becomes 950, 527 becomes 540, 950 minus 540 equals 410. Means 945 minus 537 is equal to 410. If you want to check your answer, you can do it manually like this ya. So 945 minus 537 equals to 408. Now the answer 408 is close to 410. Therefore, it is reasonable. Okay, understand ya, Sobat 100? So we are all done. Okay, we have talked about rounding and estimation, Sobat 100. If you want to know more videos about the next chapter, you can click the next video. See you!